So I must admit, there was something that I didn't show you guys. So while installing the mirror caps, they didn't clip on there just right. So I figured I'd go ahead and use some Gorilla Glue to make it work and make it hold into place. Which ended up working out with a price. So while installing one of the mirror caps, especially this one right here, and I used the Gorilla Glue, a little bit got stuck in my hand. Some of that Gorilla Glue got stuck to the actual mirror cap and ended up sticking to the mirror cap and not being able to get it off. So I tried using some, that ended up not working out too well at all. So I went online and researched what to help take it off. And they said that acetone, nail polish acetone, helps to get that stuff off. I ended up removing the residue, but I also ended up removing some of that clear coating on top of the mirror cap, which I didn't show you guys, but it has bothered me over time. So I figure I want to go ahead now and try to remove it. And I'm gonna try to show you guys, but it's kind of hard to see it in camera. You really have to be in person to be able to see it. Right here, if you guys can see it in the sunlight right there, there's a bunch of clear coat that came off here, and then there's another one here, but the light's not letting me show you guys. So I was pissed. There's different ways you can sand it off, lightly wet sand it, and then repolish it, all that kind of stuff. But I don't feel like doing too much work for just a little bitty spot. I came up on this Meguiar Scratch X 2.0. Very simple. Just put some on a little polishing pad or a microfiber pad, and then polish it up, and that's it. So it should be pretty simple. So I'm gonna show you guys to see if I can try to do this, and if that works out. If not, we'll see. I managed to get all the residue off, but I did end up leaving some surface scratches on there. So I'm hoping this will come. I'll take it off. So I don't have a polishing pad, but I do have a microfiber cloth that I'm gonna be using, so it won't scratch up the car. So do not fear, guys. All right, so I'm gonna start off just wiping it down. Make sure it's all clean. There's nothing on the surface that's gonna scratch it up. So I hate that you guys can see it, but I can see all this. I mean, you can even feel it when you run your finger through, how it's very smooth, but then when you get down to where there's no clear coat, it's very rough. So it's really around this area right here, and right here, and some here. All right, so let's see. Tiny amount on here, and just start slowly in circles, just kind of rubbing it in there. I'm just gonna do the whole thing just to kind of keep it polished. Just gonna go ahead and do the whole thing. All right, so let that sit there, let it dry. All right, guys, so this is actually just the first pass that I've done to it, and it came out really, really good. I mean, it looks like I just got it out of the packaging. It looks really good, guys. So for the first pass, and the fact that I've never done this before, this works out really good. For 11 bucks, I recommend it. So works out. All right, guys, well, that's it. I'm gonna end it here. Polish it up, ready to go. Next video I have coming out, I will be installing the little red button inside of the car for the start stop, because mine is completely bad. It's awful. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna end it here, and I catch you guys on the next one. All right, later.